What is the hardest bone in the human body? Mandible. How many bones does a newborn baby have? About 300. What is the name of the flexible tissue that cushions bones at joints? Cartilage. How many bones are in an adult human skeleton? 206. What is the name of the disease where bones become abnormally large and weak? Paget's disease. What is the function of red bone marrow? Producing blood cells. Which bone disease is caused by an infection? Osteomyelitis. How long does it take for the human skeleton to completely replace itself? Around 10 years. What is the smallest bone in the human body? Stapes. What is the function of tendons? To connect muscles to bones. Which bone is most commonly fractured in the human body? Collarbone. Which bone is the strongest and longest in the human body? Femur. Which bones form the structure of your fingers and toes? Phalanges. Which type of fracture occurs when the bone breaks into multiple pieces? Comminuted fracture. Which of these bones does not belong to the leg? Ulna. Which vitamin deficiency can lead to rickets, causing soft and weak bones? Vitamin D. Which medical condition causes bones to become brittle and break easily? Osteoporosis. Which part of the body has the smallest bone? Ear. What is the only bone in the human body that does not connect to another bone? Hyoid. What is the function of ligaments? To connect bones to bones. Which type of bone is the vertebra classified as? Irregular bone. What is the bone that supports your lower back called? Lumbar vertebrae. What is the name of the genetic disorder that causes bones to be extremely fragile and break easily, also known as brittle bone disease? Osteogenesis imperfecta. Which part of the human body contains the most bones? Hand. How many ribs does the human body have? 24. What is the medical term for the shoulder blade? Scapula. How many bones make up the human skull? 22. Which bone forms the kneecap? Patella. What is the bone that forms the front part of the rib cage called? Sternum. What type of joint is found in the shoulder and hip? Ball and socket joint.